Nung tapos na yung Mulawin, nilagyan pa nila ako ng character sa Encantadia. Hi guys, this is Romnick Sarmenta and this is Give Me 5. Sige, actually number 1 on the list yung Unbreak My Heart. Siguro, dahil ang saya-saya ko na magkatrabaho yung dalawang network. I was having an interesting conversation with Direk kanina. Ang laki ng impact nito sa masa, sa tao, sa Pilipino, as a culture. I love that. I love that project. Second, siguro na malapit sa akin is Mulawin. We had so much fun doing it. So much fun na they invited me. Nung tapos na yung Mulawin, nilagyan pa nila ako ng character sa Encantadia as the first Mulawin. Ako si Avilan. Gusto ko rin yung Magic Palayok. Nagkaroon ako ng anak-anakan dun. And it was just a very heartwarming story. I played the role of a guy suffering amnesia. So hindi ko kilala yung anak ko. And she was trying so hard to win me back. And ang ganda lang ng mga naging eksena, which I really appreciate. Of course, Magpakailanman kay Tita Mel. I did several episodes for Magpakailanman. And always, palaging moving yung pagkukwento sa Magpakailanman. So, those would be my top 5 or Forgive Me 5. Mga kapuso, tuwing Sabado po sa GMA, subaybayan niyo ang Maka.